Hi guys, this is Anushka. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So firstly, happy Diwali to each and every one of you. And also if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe my channel and ring that bell icon so that you're notified the next time I post. And it is Diwali today, and if you're hearing these crackers, please ignore if you can. So yeah, today we prepared some Indian sweets at home and it was quite an experience, and also these are like super easy and very tasty. So now I'll stop blabbering and just let's get into the video.
For bundi ke laddu, all you need is 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup water. Now mix that all together. You don't have to make a chashni out of it, but this mixture should be sticky enough. Let the sugar dissolve in water completely. Then finally add chutki bhar orange color and mix it again. Comes the secret ingredient, which is unsalted bundi जो कि हम रायता में डालते हैं. And if you don't get that, then you can also put salted bundi, but you just have to wash it normally and then just put it in this mixture and then mix it again. Finally, when it's all done, take this out in a normal bowl and put this aside for like 20 minutes till the bundi gets soft and cold thoda sa, and also grind it. Now add whatever seeds you have at home. These are watermelon or melon seeds. You can also put sunflower seeds or any other seeds you have. Now knead it like you would knead a dough and make balls out of it for the laddu. And here they are ready. The easiest way to make bundi ke laddu. They were so tasty, and honestly it just took us like 10 minutes to make all of this. It is so easy and very tasty. Next, we're going to make pink and white delight. For that, you'll need 1 cup of milk. In that, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of chini, sugar, normal sugar, and then give it a nice mix. Let the sugar dissolve in milk completely. Now goes in roasted suji. So put it slowly, or lumps nahi padne chahiye, otherwise it just tastes yuck. Now mix it nicely, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह से. Lumps बिल्कुल भी form नहीं होने चाहिए. And you have to keep on mixing it. Finally cover it and then mix it again and put 1 teaspoon of ghee into it and mix it again. You'll see the suji leaves the frying pan, saucepan, whatever, and then you know that the batter is ready. Take this batter out in a plate and then knead it again. So we divided this batter into 2 parts. I'll tell you why. Like, you'll see why in some time. Yeah, that is it. So now we are putting roux afza in this batter. Half of the batter. You can also use a food color, but roux afza se we get this amazing flavor and also this fragrance. So knead it again and keep on adding roux afza till you get the desired color. Now comes the fun part, that is making balls out of this batter. So just make normal balls and yeah, that's it. So this is the last step where you have to take 1 pink ball and 1 white ball, put that together and then roll it, and you get this pretty design. That is why we called this mithai as pink and white delight. You can garnish it with nuts. We garnished it with almonds, that are badam, and yeah, that is it. Next, we're going to make kalakand at home. For that, you'll need 1 tablespoon of ghee. In that, add 1 cup of milk. Mix it. Let the milk become hot and then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it again. Now, we're going to add 1 cup of milk powder and mix it again. So here we have Milkmaid. We did this at home. It was so easy. So for kalakand, we are going to add 1 cup of grated paneer and mix it again. So there's a lot of mixing in cooking, and that is what I'm best at. Now we're going to add some kesar, and that is me adding kesar just like I wanted to. So after mixing for around 5 minutes, this is what we got, and our batter is ready. It's time to take out the batter on a plate. So this plate is already greased, and we're going to flatten this batter with the help of a spoon. You can also do it with a spatula, but spoon is just more comfortable. Now once that's done, garnish it with almonds, cashew nuts, kishmish, whatever you want to. And then finally cut it with the help of a knife in desired shape and size. So here we have our kalakand ready, and it was so tasty. Now comes the last recipe, that is chocolate and kaju ke laddu. For that we took 1 cup of grated kaju and we added a lot of chocolate syrup into it. This is such an easy recipe, and honestly it was so yummy. So yeah, this is how the batter looks. We made a dough out of it and then we divided it into small balls. So once that's done, we're going to coat this ball of chocolate laddu with a lot of cashew nuts again. And here we have our chocolate and kaju ke laddu all ready.
So yeah, that was it for the video. I hope you like it. I know I am very late for this Diwali video, but we prepared the mithaiyan today, so this video got a little delayed. But yeah, if you like the video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Happy Diwali and stay tuned for next videos. Stay safe. Bye.